A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later.
That's totally different from the other day.
That looks nice.
Thank you for the Monday.
Ay di, nagpila ko ya. Sige. Oras lang ako sa pila gano.
Okay na ha? Paano
Alisa.
na doon?
Kami naman.
Okay, you can wait for na the tax is coming. Okay.
Nagpila man po namin limonsito.
Yeah.
Pwede ito nga lang. Oh, then lemon also half a kilo.
Nakakay ni mo sila daday?
Beautiful.
Really? You know, favorite fruit is expensive here.
I'm not thirsty. Mom.
Yes?
No problem.
Yes, regular. Sorry, sir.
Oh, no problem.